What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to space out your Instagram bio so that you could have multiple spaces and multiple lines if you have different information that you want and don't want it to just be a running sentence in your bio. I'm sure you've seen what this looks like, and it is very appealing to have in your bio. So in order to do this, you're actually going to go to your Notes app, and then you could space it out from here. The important thing for Instagram is that there is no return button that the keyboard has when you're in the Notes app or really any other app, so you can't move on to the next line to type the text. But if you're in the Notes app, you could just hit return and then go to the next line. I just typed an example spacing right there just to show you how it works, and I'm just going to edit my profile to prove to you that it stays when you edit it and the spacing stays so that there's multiple lines. It looks just like it is in the Notes app. And there you go. I just entered it into my bio, and I'm just going to save to prove to you that there it is. How to space your Instagram bio is perfectly spaced like it was in the Notes app. If you have any questions or found this tutorial confusing at all, don't forget to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and read the description because there's very important information down there. Thank you for watching.